Unreal Engine 5.8 is officially out, and it comes with some awesome features for indie developers. One of the best is free body mocap right inside Unreal. Before this, we had to use third-party AI mocap websites which were paid, but now we can do it all inside Unreal for free. So let's begin. First, we have to get our free mocap plugin from Fabe's store. Let's look for it. And here it is. So here my download got failed. Many people are facing this issue. In Epic Launcher, click here to open your library and install it from here. And it's done. First, let's enable the necessary MetaHuman and LiveLink plugins. Now let me grab one of the MetaHuman presets to use as my game character. I think she looks cool. I've already migrated this level so that we have better lighting to work with. Now let's create a MetaHuman performance. But before that, go here and open LiveLink. First, we have to process the video, and then we'll move to turning that footage data into a MetaHuman performance. Select Capture Manager, choose Mono Video, and select the folder where your video is. I have this mocap performance right here that I want to turn into an animation. Here, I'll change this option to PNG so my video quality remains the same, and hit Start. When you see this Capture Manager folder appear, it means the video processing is done. Now go to the MetaHuman performance we created earlier. Make sure this is set to mono. I want to track face mocap and body mocap both to test out the output, so I'll enable both tracking options here. Here I should be getting my MetaHuman character, but it's not showing up. I wonder why. Because I haven't assembled my character inside MetaHuman Creator yet. Here, before assembling the character, we have the option to bake materials or not. If you aren't planning to change the material, turn this option on and select your map quality. But if you want total control over the MetaHuman's dynamic material, you can leave it off. As soon as I hit assemble, Unreal throws an error saying I don't have enough RAM to assemble the MetaHuman. My OBS Studio is taking up 4 to 5 gigabytes of RAM right now, so I'll close it and try again. Alright, so now my MetaHuman is ready. Let me show you the dynamic material we got. Let's open the face material, and here there are tons of sliders you can use to control the look of your character. Like this slider, as I drag it, redness gets added to her cheeks. Now let's get back to our mocap. Now I can see my MetaHuman blueprint here. Just select it and hit Process. It will take some time because Unreal is doing all the calculations locally. On AI mocap websites, we upload the video to their servers so it gets processed pretty quickly. Here, it takes time based on your system hardware. Alright, so it's done. Let's hit the Export Animation button and turn this mocap into individual game animations. You'll see this pop-up. Just hit Yes. Now let's add our character into the scene and get it into the sequencer. The whole scene looks a bit too white, so let me change the backdrop color. Inside Sequencer, delete these default controls and add our body animation track. It actually has the face animation added right within the body rig. Now I want this specific part to be my first individual animation, so I'll limit it to this frame. Right-click here and select Bake Animation Sequence. And just like that, I got my first animation within minutes. I'll do the exact same process for the second one. Now in this last animation, I want to refine the hand pose because it's a bit messed up. If you notice, there is no control rig option here. Does that mean my character doesn't have a control rig? Well, let's check it out. Alright, it does have a control rig, and here you can see the face animation results as well from that single video. Obviously, the quality won't be perfect. If you want detailed face mocap, record your facial performance using a dedicated head rig, follow the same process to get to this stage, but here turn off body tracking and select the face skeleton of your MetaHuman. It will provide a detailed face animation that you can add inside sequencers separately. Now, how do we get the control rig back here? Just uncheck this option and then select this option from the list. There we go. Now I'm just refining this mocap performance a bit, improving her arm and hand poses. Alright, so I'm done with the refinement, and it's time to convert it into an animation sequence. And that is how you can easily build game animations for your indie project for free. Leave a like if the video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.